But continue to discuss earnings performance, and let's bring on board Amit Kumat, the MD and CEO at Prataap Snacks. He joins us on the show right now. Amit, hi. Just looking at your quarterly performance, your revenue growth once again has come in very strong. Tell us what's been the volume uptick that you've seen in the quarter gone by, and what about your margins as well? What's been aiding the same?
After the 2 quarters poor growth because of the GST, we have bounced back in the last quarter and the growth is close to 26% in the last quarter. The margins as are in the lines as we guided the market during the public issue.
How's your geographical expansion plan going? You were in the process of consolidating your presence in West and Northern India. How's that panning out?
We have increased our presence in Southern India. The number of distributors have increased by almost 500 number in the current year, and we are planning to expand further into North and West. If you see, our South India growth has been close to 50% in last 1 year. So targeting more growth from Southern India and some northern market like UP and Punjab.
What about issues relating to raw materials, etc.? Are they behind you now? Because I recall when we were chatting with you last quarter, you were talking about some supply chain disruptions and, of course, price escalation too.
Supply is not an issue at all. But if you see in last quarter, government has increased the duty on edible oil from 10% to 55%. That has resulted in increase in price by 20 rupees. Potato crop is not that good, so prices have also again increased, though supply is not an issue at all. So potato prices and oil both are high, but we are trying to mitigate those effects by doing some changes in our pack sizes, pack sizes, carton dimensions, and also reducing the channel margin. But there would be some pressure on raw material pricing this quarter and next quarter.
Market share then?
There would be some pressure on pricing for this quarter and next quarter, because of increasing potato pricing, increase in oil duty, and crude pricing resulting in higher laminate prices or packaging material pricing.
Okay. You've been able, Amit, to grow strongly at a 25% plus rate over the last few years. Will this trend continue going forward as well? And if so, what's it that's going to drive the same and aid this kind of, growth path for you?
We are looking at 18 to 20% growth for next 3 to 4 years. And that will mainly come from geographical expansion, new product introduction, and something good in sweet snack category. In the sweet snack category, we launched Yum Pie, though we had some issue because of summer problem, the chocolate was melting. That is behind us now, and we are trying to develop few more products in sweet snack category. The sweet snack category, deeper distribution and new geographies should give us growth of 18 to 20% for next 2 to 3 years time.
Okay, Amit, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for taking the time out and speaking with us, highlighting what an excellent quarter it has been for you and what is it that you plan to do going forward as well. And that's the word coming in from the management, Prataap Snacks, stating that they will be able to better not just their geographical expansion, their market share, but they will manage to better their earnings performance as well as volume growth too.